Hello, Standard 4. How are you today? Are you ready for your art lesson? Okay, for your art lesson today, you need to be able to create trees with different textures. Okay, menghasilkan kayu pelbagai. The pelbagai means that you have to create different textures for each trees and the leaves and the branches also. Okay, even the tree trunk. If you can be creative, then you can produce as much textures as you want. Okay, here are all the things that you need. You need a cup of water for you to wash your brushes. You need your watercolors. You need your crayons, glue, scissors, your brushes, and also some papers. Okay, all right, you can prepare your different papers. So let's make this one as the base of your the background later on. Okay, and then you have to prepare um, some A4 papers as well for you to do the textures later on. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is my sketchbook, the paper from my sketchbook. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use the sketchbook paper as my background. So I'm going to use my pen crayon first, and then I'm going to trace on top of the sketchbook to create textures. Okay, if you want to, then you can use different color, for example, to create depth in your drawing or your artwork. Okay, let me open the casing for this crayon first. Right. Okay. All right, so okay, so this is my background. Or if you want to make it into shapes like mountain shapes, you also can do that. Right, now I'm going to do the background for the sky. You can use any color you want. Be as creative as you can. Okay, I'm going to create a sky with a pastel color. Okay, so I'm going to use this light purple, and then let me find my orange. What else? What do you think about light blue? Maybe light blue works well also. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, so let's start with the background first. So on top over here, this is the top of the sky. I'm going to make it into blue color. Okay, next I think purple. Okay, purple. Right, going all the way. Okay, now I'm going to use this orange to make it look like there is a sunset going on. So let's start with the small yellow first. Over here, yellow. Okay, and then the orange. All right, so there you go. Can you see the texture? Right. Right, now you can see the textures, right? Okay. Now let's start with your trees. What you need is a different piece of paper. Okay. Right. You can use any textures that you have around your house. It doesn't have to be the one that you're using for your background. Okay. So let's say, let me find what textures can I use. Okay. So I'm going to use this baskets texture. So I'll flip it first. Right. Right, my first tree should be in, I think I want it in light green color. Okay, and then maybe I want at different sides of this also in different color, maybe a darker green, this green maybe. Okay, just use the rubbing technique, and then you can see some beautiful textures going on over here. Okay, that is for my 2 trees. Next, I'm going to use another different paper for another different tree. Okay, I want this tree to look a little different, maybe look like in the summer. I think I'm going to use, should I use yellow? I think I'm going to use this yellow, dark yellow. Okay. Dark yellow. Then one more is maybe in let's try this blue, dark blue. Yeah. Wow. Okay, right, so that's it. You can produce as much as you want, but now I'm going to show you how you need to cut the tree into its shape. Okay, for example, the first one, first tree. Oops. Second tree. Okay, now we're going to do the three branches or the three leg or the three trunk. So you can use the same paper if you still have the same paper, and then make it into your tree trunk. So that is for the first tree. Then maybe the smaller tree on the bottom, up bigger tree on top. Okay, so I'm going to arrange it this way. Okay, okay, so I'm going to speed up this one um, into a time lapse so that it will save your time. Okay, standard 4, that is the end result for your textured tree artwork for today. Okay, you can create as many trees as you want, and you can put the tree overlapping so that it will look like there are so many trees and there is a depth in your drawing. Okay, all right, you can see there are lots of textures going on over here. Okay, you can create the textures by using rubbing technique. You can create the textures by using lines, elements. Okay, up to your creativity. Okay, now can you do yours now? I'm excited to see your end result later on. Okay, bye, see you next week.